This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. November 20th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go clean up some gas pipe to a water heater. I mean, it's really bad. I did a furnace job over there, and the gas pipe was just a flipping mess to the water heater. I told him I'd go back when I got some time.
Turn left on Hathaway Road.
And try to clean it up for the guy. I mean, it's really cattywampus over there. So we'll see when I get there. I mean, the thing goes coming down crooked, and then it goes behind the chimney over to the water heater. I mean, I'm just gonna remove all that and just run it kind of as a crow flies over there and down. So try to get some shots. Oh, Miss Molly. It's my buddy, Miss Molly. It's my buddy, Miss Molly. Yeah, you're my buddy. You got long hair on the toes. You got long hair on your toes. Yeah, you do. Oh, you can see it goes back and then it goes down on an angle. Look at this crazy shit. And it runs all the way down for the heater. So I'm gonna kind of, there's a T up there above it. It's probably just plug that, and then I'll do something different. I mean, this is all coming out. I should have a 3/4 by half by half. I can come right off the bottom here. Look at the smoke pipes, not even going into the chimney. I mean, it's flipping crazy. But we're gonna clean it up. This is gonna be turned to off for now. See, it comes over here. This is unbelievable. There we go. It's no good. It's galvanized. I can't use that. Can't use galvanized. This is all coming out. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it yet, but we'll figure it out. Alright guys, so what I did was I took this 3/4 by half 90 and I put a 3/4 by half T, an elbow, ran over the 30-inch piece to like an 18. I dropped down another 30 with a shut off, a union, a nipple to a T. I mean, that's a lot better. Now I gotta clean up this flipping smoke pipe. I mean, how the hell do you do shit like that? I mean, I can't leave that like that. So I'll have to do something with that. A flipping mess. I might be able to just think 4-inch, just use 4-inch elbow and 4-inch pipe right into that. We'll see. That's what I'm gonna try to do. Oh, and I put a, I don't know if you can see, but a nipple and a cap on that other one. Did away with all that pipe that was going behind there. Now I didn't put this water heater in. I don't know who put it in, but it was definitely no plumber. With some snots. I ain't gonna play with none of that water stuff. I'm just gonna make it so it's safe to operate. Unbelievable. To get a 4-inch elbow and some pipe. This is a crimper to crimp this. Yeah, I crimped it. That fit inside that hole because it wouldn't fit. I had to get this out of the chuck. How many goes? This is 3x4. So just went around and crimped it. crimp it. Puts a crimp on it, see it? I'm gonna have to crimp it a little bit more, but it will fit in there. It'll go in there, give it a little persuasion with a hammer. Alright, so that's in there. Let's see how it lines up. Yeah, not too bad. I'll be alright. We'll come out with a piece with a riser and an elbow. We'll be alright. Alright guys, I got it in there. 3 joints. 3 screws per joint. And this little riser here I cut, and I used that crimper. So, you know, because I had to cut a piece off of this 24-inch, so I cut a 3 1/4 inch, and I used that crimper that I showed you, so you don't waste the stuff. So theoretically, I could put that together and crimp it with this, you know, and put like a joint on it like that to be able to put it inside. Cause see, this is wrong. See the gas? See, that's wrong. That pipe's supposed to go on the outside. Same thing with that. That joint should be on the outside, so the flow's always on the inside. It's in there tight on that piece, and that's safe. I could turn the gas on now, and then we'll bleed it. It's a lot better than it was. I'll get some soapy bubbles and check everything, make sure I got no leaks. Turn the gas back on. It's raining outside. I didn't want to leave that mess for that guy. I mean, it was really bad. Even though I didn't do the job, I didn't want to leave it like that. I usually don't like getting involved with stuff like this, but seeing I did a job on the side of it, best to clean it up. Turn the heat back on. And on this here, we'll probably, I'll put my screwdriver in it, give it a little time, because it's, you don't want no piping. It's got electronic spark on the stove upstairs, so I'm not worried about that. I'll kind of give it a little time to get the air out, and then I'll light it. This might go through a couple of cycles here. Houston, we have ignition. That's why I put the screwdriver in it, give it a little time. We'll just check, make sure we got no leaks on none of the stuff, you know, just soak it up, and if there's any leaks, they'll bubble up. So it's good to check, you know, make sure you got no leaks. Oh, you can see it now, there's a light. Don't hurt to check for leaks. Usually you could smell it if it's a leak, but I always like to check. Got that last one to do down the end down there. Like I said, it'll bubble up. If there's a leak, it's gonna, bubble up on for me. I don't see it. This union is where most likely if there was a leak it'd show up. Alright, I should be able to fire this up. Turn it up right here. Houston, we have ignition. Alright guys, like I said, I didn't do any other work on this thing. I just wanted to make it so it was safe. The gas pipe and the smoke pipe, the water pipe, I'm not playing around with none of that. I didn't put that heater in. Just how it is. You can see this thing's crooked, coming down. I'm not even going to play with that. Stop playing with it and the tank starts leaking, I'll be screwed. Alright, I don't see any leaks, so good. If that was leaking, I'd be bubbled right up. It's fine, no leaks.